today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the output device in VLC quickly and easily. This is really useful if your sound is coming from the wrong speakers, your headphones are not being detected, or you simply want VLC to play audio through a different device on your computer. It only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar. You want to click on the audio option. This is where VLC keeps all of its sound-related settings. After you click audio, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, move your cursor to Audio Device. When you hover over Audio Device, you'll see a list of available output devices appear on the right side. This is the menu where VLC lets you choose exactly where you want the sound to play. Now take a moment to look through the list and find the correct device. Depending on your computer, you may see options like speakers, headphones, Bluetooth devices, or other audio outputs connected to your system. Click the one you want to use and VLC will immediately switch the audio output to that device. If you don't hear sound right away, make sure the device is connected properly and that your system volume is turned up. In some cases, you may also need to pause and play the video again for the change to fully take effect. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the output device in VLC in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can save you a lot of frustration when the wrong audio device is selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.